didn't even know it was this big. No? What'd you say? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We got my brother here, Gary. Today we're gonna be installing a CS style front lip. Now this isn't the legit one. I got a cheaper one off eBay.
Broke boys.
Broke boys out here. No, but yes, that. But another part of my reason is I'm planning on getting, or I'm saving up for quotes for next month. And I've never driven a lowered car before. And I live in Boston. The potholes here are pretty bad. So I didn't want to spend like hundreds of dollars on a carbon fiber front lip just to scratch it up or ruin it or break it. So I thought I'd get this right here, and we would just paint it gloss black and throw it on the car. And if it gets ruined, it gets ruined because it was cheap. It doesn't matter. So first, we're gonna test fit everything to make sure that it fits on properly. And then if it fits, we're gonna clean it up, wipe it down, and we're gonna paint it. Okay. And some strong ass staples. Where's all the hardware? Please read instructions thoroughly before starting. Attention. No return or exchange. Yeah, I'll move it.
Probably because they don't have 93 on it.
Oh yeah. You mean out there? Put your suckers.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, ready? Yeah, we're gonna have to heat it up and stretch it. Okay, that's bird. I don't know. It's not 100%. In the instructions it says before we paint or anything, we should heat it up and stretch it so that it fits before we install it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wipe that bird off and then heat it up and stretch it. Okay, so we're gonna test fit it again and see which part we gotta stretch. So my car is extremely dirty. So my brother is gonna paint the lip and I'm gonna wash the car. Multitasking, getting things done. There's a bunch of we can't find the paint, but we'll find the paint. But there's a bunch of bird poop everywhere. It's all dusty. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wash it real quick with some McGuire's car soap and just wipe it down. That's it. We'll wait for that to dry. This thing's height is like a monster truck. We'll start from the top down. Okay guys, the car's all clean. I got a tire cleaner on the tires. I'm just waiting for it to kind of set in and get most of the dirt off, and then we'll wipe it off. So now I'm gonna take off the bumper to install the lip. We're still painting the lip, But I need to take off the bumper anyways because some of the wiring came loose from my headlights, so I have to reconnect it, and then I'm gonna put some electrical tape over it to make sure it doesn't come off again. Oh, make sure you disconnect the wire. Yeah. Wait. As you guys can see, this sea light is out. And time to put another coat. Not exactly sure which wire it is, but I think it's one of these ones. It's all fixed. Alright guys, so the final paint is dry, final coat is drying right now. I focused a lot just on the lip part that you can see. I didn't really focus on the parts where we're going to screw in and the pop clips and stuff, because we're not going to be able to see it. So as soon as the final coat here is done drying, we can start putting it onto the bumper. And so far it looks decent, it looks alright. For a cheap lip, this is not bad. I'd say it looks pretty good. Okay, so while the lip is finished drying, we took, since I don't have like one of those things where you can just lay a bumper on it, I put 2 sets of chairs, and then I put microfiber towels under it to prevent it from getting damaged under. And then as soon as that dries, we're gonna line it up and then put in the clips and drill the holes. And then I'm going to take it back off because the clips have to go onto the whatever the tray thing under is called. So we're going to put the bumper back onto the car, and then with the holes drilled already, it'll be easier to just put everything back in under instead of being cramped under there and trying to drill upwards when there's barely any space. So the bottom here is pretty dirty. We're going to wipe that down real quick, and then we'll get to work. Camera's about to die like it does every time. Okay, try to line it up on this one. This is always the scariest part. Oh wow, they already went through those. It's plastic. Yeah, I always forget that. You want to flip the grip? Yeah. Alright guys, so my brother and I finished putting on the lip. My camera died during the installation, and I didn't have time to charge it. Yeah, it's so good. So the paint I got was actually kind of cheap, and it's like peelable paint. So it peels, and it has been on the car now for I think 2 days. Yesterday, the day before, 3 days, and the paint is already chipping. As you can see, it just flies off. And it's really dirty. But if you look on here, it looks pretty good. It looks shiny until you get onto this side where the paint has ripped off. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take it off and just peel the whole paint and just leave it unfinished. Okay, here's how the car looks sitting. Yeah, I think it looks good. Okay. All right. Once again, thanks to my brother Gary for always helping me with the installs. I don't think I've actually linked his or put his Instagram username on there, so I'm gonna throw it up there. Make sure you check him out, follow him. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and tell me what else you want to see onto the car. Tell me what you guys think I should do with the paint actually. If I should just wash it all off and just scrub it off and just leave it bare material, or if I should buy a different set of paint and try to repaint it and just take the lip off. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Until next time, thanks for watching.